What are you looking at? Howdy guys, what's going on? Well, we got a new video for you today, and it involves none other than the old Power Stroke here. Old Ford Power Stroke. I mean LML Duramax, I think it is. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. Someone bought it for me, so I don't really know much about it. But anyway, today for the old unit, we got a little bit of an unboxing to do and a product to review. So a company by the name of Auxito, I believe it's pronounced, Auxito? Auxito? Yes. A company called Auxito reached out to me and asked me if I would review one of their products for my truck. I, of course, said yes. They sent it to me. Here it is. We're going to unbox it. I'm going to show you guys what it is. We're going to get a little before and after. And yeah, so let's get to opening this puppy up. Alright, I had to cut the tape ready because I was trying to get ready to so I just cut the tape. So let me show you guys what they sent me here. See if you guys know what it is. Let's setting it off one hand here and There's a brand new LED third brake light for my truck. There's a smoked brake light, as you can tell. And in here, it includes a new gasket to go on the back for this to mount to. And you got the plug holes right here for it. So let's open this thing up and see what looks like without the plastic on it. Little ASMR plastic rip. Alright, so here it is, nice and new, nice and shiny. You could see for the bed lights, we got some LEDs in there, and then for the third brake light, this is going to light up red. It's like that Oracle design you see on a lot of newer vehicles, and it's just plug and play. So let me show you what the old one looks like. Terrified right now because I got this setting on my tailgate, and I hope it doesn't fall when I get in this thing. So far, so good. People are gonna think I'm crazy. Ah! All right, let's just do it the old-fashioned POV way. So let's see what this thing looks like. This red, plain, non-LED factory light looks disgusting against this black truck. Kind of sticks out like a red nose on Rudolph. So as you can tell, the theme of this truck is more of a blackout, chrome accent kind of look. You can see I don't even have to say anything else with it. Oh, I also got brand new tires. But anyway, yeah, so the whole truck's black. And then when you start getting to the back of the truck, it just looks out of place having a red third brake light and obviously red taillights, but I might tint them or something. But I did want a new third brake light. When they asked me what product I want to review, I told them that one. So I'm pretty pumped that they sent it to me and let me review it. So let me show you what the current one looks like when it's lit up. I'm actually going to turn the truck around though because the sunlight's hitting the third brake light. So I'm going to back it up so we have the shade and we can kind of get an idea of what it looks like. All right, I moved the truck over there and face away from the sun because the sun is back here. So that's gonna give us some shade over there. And then I can show you guys. I'll take another video of it at night as well, but I wanna get this installed now. So we gotta work with what we have. All right, we're kind of coming here right here to a little, right there, little jellyfish, freaking jellyfish launcher, dude. See it? Turn that on. And there's what it looks like. Got your ugly standard halogen bulbs. Can't even call them yellow. They're like flesh colored. They're not white. Yeah. Let me go hit the brakes to show you guys. But yeah, so these are just standard halogen bulbs in here. They don't really throw much light in the bed, which is kind of a downside too, because whenever I'm loading stuff in the back at night or anything, or I, you know, have my dirt bike in here and I'm unloading after a race or something, I can't really see much, so these don't really throw much light. So let me hit the brake pedal and I'll show you guys what the third brake light looks like. You might not even be able to see what it looks like because it's daytime and it's red. All right, let's get to installing the new one there. And you know, I brought a Phillips screwdriver over here because that's what third brake lights usually are attached with. But of course, it's a Torx, so I'm gonna grab a Torx. All right, I got the right size Torx. It's a T20, if anyone is wondering. So I'm gonna take this off. I also got some cleaner and a rag to clean behind here so the new gasket can mate well to the cab. All right, and then just firmly grab each side because it's going to be a little stuck on there, and then just pull. Oh, you can feel the other tabs in the gasket. Oh, no turning back now. I don't know what that was. That was this little tab right here. So right there's your connector, just one connector, pretty standard. There's your standard halogen bulbs in there. So let's get this unplugged and get this thing off and clean that area, and let's get the new gasket on. It's imperative that you get this very clean as well. Otherwise, like I said, that gasket won't adhere properly, and then you worry about, you know, leaks and it rattling or coming loose. So you want to make sure you use a good degreaser cleaner. Clean this very well before you put the new one on. And this is double-sided, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of the layers off. I'm going to put it on the third brake light first, and then the other side, and then push it into the cab that way. It's pretty straightforward how it's going to be going around here, so I don't really need to explain that part. Nice. All right, I peeled off the other part of the double side right here. So right now we're just gonna tuck everything back in here and push this against there and get the screws in. Just want to make sure all your wires are out of the way. They're not going to be pinched or anything like that. There's a dead spot inside the cab where you could put all the wires into, so that'll keep them out of the way. So also, before I forget to mention it, these two little rubber washers also have double-sided, well, not double-sided, sorry. These little washers are single-side stickies, and they're going to go inside these holes right here as another form of a gasket for when you put the screws through. Alrighty, so we got the new Auxito third brake light installed, and I love the way it looks so far. It gives the back such a clean look compared to that red third brake light sitting there. So let me get in the cab. I'll turn on my little cab lights and see these bright LEDs. Like I said, I'll show you guys too at night, but I'm here right now, so I'll show you guys during the day and then show you during the nighttime, because that'll give you guys a good depiction. Even in broad daylight, you can see those things. Let me hop up in there and get a closer look at that. Oh yeah, that's real nice. I'm sure the camera can't pick it up, but there's some bright little LEDs in there. And like I said, I'll show you guys at night too, because I'm sure it'll really emit some light. But I can see it, the purple shine right here, reflecting off the camera, as you guys can see. So now I'm gonna set the camera back up and I'm gonna hit the brakes so you guys can see what the brake light looks like. You guys are actually gonna see it before I do, because I can't see the brake light if I'm hitting the brakes, so. I just watched the footage back on my GoPro, and from what I could see through the tiny screen, I can see the brake light lighting up, and it looks pretty sweet. So I can't wait to show you guys at night. It is crazy though what just putting in a third brake light does to the appearance of a vehicle. These taillights really look out of place now against that, but I love the black third brake light versus the red that was on there. It goes with the theme of the truck and it blends in very well. Also, if you guys like to look at this third brake light, I'm going to leave a link down below to this exact product, And you guys should also check out their website for anything else you need. They got lighting for a bunch of trucks and vehicles, as well as other stuff, some interior stuff, jumper pack, things like that. But yeah, if you want this third brake light, I'll leave the link down below to it. And if you buy anything off of their website and you use my code LBZeric, you'll get a percentage off as well. So click the link, check the stuff out on their website, and go buy some stuff. Also, if you guys are interested in me reviewing any other products, let me know. I'll reach out to the guys at Auxito, see what they could send me so I can review it before you guys buy it in case you're hesitant. And I'll put on my truck and show you guys what it looks like in comparisons and before and after. This way you can get an idea of, you know, if you want it or not. All right, it's later on and it's dark out, so let's go check this light out. All right, let's press the jellyfish light and see what kind of lighting we got. There's the regular bed lights. And curl up here. And then here's the third brake light. Super bright LEDs. If you could see, this is all the light coming from here. So all this back here, these are just emitting downward. So all the lighting you see through here is all coming just from that on both sides. Super bright, looks super nice. Throwing some nice light back in there too. All in all, guys, I'm super happy with it, and I really appreciate them sending me this because it added a different look to the truck in a good way, and it throws some awesome light. So like I said before, all you got to do if you want this third brake light or you want to check out anything on their website as far as lighting goes, just click the link down below. It'll take you right there, and then you'll be able to find anything you guys want. So with that being said, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.